Hello to all my beautiful, wonderful listeners and readers. Welcome to the Alchemist Reads, and we are continuing with our series COVID 19 Hell on Earth, Episode 2. Today's topic Work from Home. Now, guys, work from home has become the new norm, the new reality, and the new normal for many professionals all across the world. Though many don't like and won't so much enjoy this current trend of working from one's living place, but this is what we are now dealing with. So, resisting it won't be a viable thing to do so. Instead, it's time to be really mature, become a true professional, and get busy with this particular way of eking out a living till things go back to the way they used to be, which is a big question mark in itself. But then again, my dear people, working from home doesn't mean that you have to stick yourself to that chair of yours, to that desk and laptop of yours for the next 8 to 10 hours straight. Since you are working from your home, then it's okay to have a break of say 20 minutes or even half an hour in between. Not just once, but even twice. To attend to your house chores, to check on your kids in between, help your spouse in her work, do some stretching and breathing exercises also. And to all the bosses and managers out there, if you are engaging your employees in this work from home sort of gimmick, then have some understanding and do show some empathy from time to time towards their working style, since they are crammed and cramped with their householders, with their house members all around them. Also, allow and accept their video calls and Zoom meetings with the intrusion from some or other family member, or some irritable sound or any housework done by other family members showing up, popping up like a photobomb in the background now and then. Make do with the not so professional appearance of your employees on the camera and their somewhat inconsistent timings of logging in and logging off as well. I mean, discipline is necessary, but caring in these trying times too is what is needed from the side of the companies and organizations handling such a vast amount of staff members. No good or an ambitious employee wants to work in a silly fashion or have his name etched in the bad books of his employers. But with the given situation of being stuck at one's place, there will be performance problems being faced by the employees. But rest assured, each and every employee at home is trying to make the best of what he has got, and not everyone has the best broadband network at their household, or instant connection available, or even a perfect house area or room to work from. So, working from home in that same old professional ethic and style which the said employee generated in the office premises or office environment previously won't be happening with every employee all the time. So, all these employers, you guys, have to literally give some space and cut some slack for the guys who are trying to make it work as much as possible from their residences. So, this was today's podcast, episode 2, Work from Home, in our brand new series, COVID 19 Hell on Earth. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Stick around for more such episodes. See you soon. The Alchemist has left the building.